My day job is to help build, organize, and protect my clients' life savings. My name is Brian Schafer, and I'm a financial planner here at Cap Northwest. So my wife Andrea and I have been together since I got back from Iraq. We have 2 daughters, Hazel and Jocelyn. We live out in 9 Mile Falls, out in the middle of nowhere. It's amazing. I care very deeply about people being able to spend their money and do it in a way that they're confident. If they have fears, I want them to bring them to me because I want to take that load off of their shoulders. I want to be the one that has the concerns. And if I do, I'll bring it to them, come up with a game plan. But I want people to work with me and have confidence that somebody else is watching over the results. I want to take that load off of their shoulders. I got lucky. In high school, I had an English teacher. On top of English lessons, he was going to teach us about compound interest and other things financial, because he said, this will probably give you a better head start than anything I can teach you in this English class. And it caught from there. Graduated high school, went into the Marine Corps. I think there was always just this itch in the back of my mind that said, hey, there's more to this. And then once it became a career, it was like, well, I can't just settle for what I know now. Now I got to know more because other people's money is depending on the outcomes of my research. I want to help you grow what you've already saved. I want to help you organize it, protect it, and use it. Use it in a way that brings fulfillment and joy to you, whether that's gifting, vacations, hobbies, family, whatever it is. I want you to use it because money is a tool. And if it just sits in the toolbox collecting dust, it doesn't bring anybody any joy.